Pause for a moment, take a deep breath, let it linger, and slowly release. You didn't come here by accident. Not today, not this exact moment. Something inside you whispered, nudged, or maybe even pulled you here. Even if you don't fully understand why yet, that quiet feeling guided you. There's a reason this message found you. It's not random, it's not a coincidence. It's as if the universe or your own intuition chose this moment to reach you. And maybe somewhere deep down, you already knew you needed to hear it. Remember those nights when your mind wouldn't stop, when you were restless, turning thoughts over like fragile stones in your hand. You felt unsettled, but you couldn't name the feeling. There were silences that felt heavy, questions you never voiced, signs you noticed but didn't understand, a tension you couldn't explain, but you knew was real. It wasn't logical. Nothing you could point to could fully explain it. Pause for a moment and take a deep breath. Feel it slowly move through your body, grounding you in this exact moment. Life has a way of bringing us to unexpected places, guiding us with quiet nudges we can't always explain. And perhaps that's why you're here right now, because something inside you sensed it was time. You may have carried feelings you couldn't name, moments of restlessness or confusion that left you questioning yourself. You wondered if you were imagining it, if your instincts were wrong. But deep down, you already knew the truth. Your intuition never lies. Sometimes, others make choices that leave us feeling unseen or unheard, not because we are not enough, but because they are not ready, unready to meet the depth and clarity we offer. Their silence, hesitation, and avoidance reflect their fears, not your value. And that realization can be freeing. You are whole. You are enough. You are capable of holding your own space, embracing your clarity, and moving forward without needing their approval. Take another breath. Let this truth settle. You are not defined by their absence, only by the presence of your own authentic self. Pause for a moment. Take a deep breath. Let it linger, and slowly release. You didn't come here by accident. Not today, not this exact moment. Something inside you whispered, nudged, or maybe even pulled you here. Even if you don't fully understand why yet, that quiet feeling guided you. There's a reason this message found you. It's not random. It's not a coincidence. It's as if the universe or your own intuition chose this moment to reach you. And maybe somewhere deep down, you already knew you needed to hear it. Remember those nights when your mind wouldn't stop, when you were restless, turning thoughts over like fragile stones in your hand. You felt unsettled, but you couldn't name the feeling. There were silences that felt heavy, questions you never voiced, signs you noticed but didn't understand, a tension you couldn't explain but you knew was real. It wasn't logical. Nothing you could point to could fully explain it. And yet, your gut, your quiet knowing, whispered truths that evidence could not confirm. You sensed that something was off, even if you weren't ready to name it. Even if you doubted yourself. Even if you told yourself, I'm imagining things. You weren't imagining. You were listening to something deeper than words. Here's the truth, the one your intuition has been hinting at. It's gentle, but it may still hurt to hear. Not everything you hoped for was meant to unfold the way you wanted. Not every word needed to be spoken. Not every promise meant to be kept. And that doesn't diminish your worth. It doesn't make you less beautiful, less capable, or less whole. It simply means that reality and the hearts of others move in ways beyond your control. The truth is, they were not ready, just as much as you were ready. And it's not a reflection of your value. It's a reflection of timing, fear, and the complexity of the human heart. They chose a different path, not because of you, not because you weren't enough, but because their own fear whispered louder than their courage. Fear of intimacy, fear of vulnerability, fear of seeing themselves reflected in your clarity. Sometimes comfort outweighs courage. Sometimes avoidance feels safer than facing their own reflection. And it doesn't mean they stopped caring. It only means they weren't ready to go deeper. Not yet, not ever. Your heart, though, your depth, was already too much for them. Not because it was too big, but because it was real. Inside, they felt everything. Hesitation, doubt, regret, forming quietly. Moments when they wanted to reach out, to speak, to show their truth. But the words never left their lips. Every silence carried weight. Every unspoken thought lingered like smoke in an empty room. They felt the tug, the pull toward honesty. But fear held them back. And maybe you felt it too. The absence of their words, the void of what wasn't said. It wasn't because you were invisible. It was because they were caught in the prison of their own uncertainty. Why didn't they speak? Because truth can be terrifying. Because emotions can feel like uncharted territory. Because seeing you fully, seeing themselves fully, is a risk many hearts cannot take. Silence is not always indifference. It is often paralysis. The heart frozen in a moment of clarity. It is not ready to embrace. And though it hurt, it was never a reflection of your worth. It was a reflection of their fear. There came a quiet realization, not dramatic, not explosive, a gentle, subtle noticing. That presence without connection, that comfort without depth, wasn't enough. They saw emptiness where they thought there was fulfillment. And it wasn't a dramatic collapse, just a quiet, slow understanding that they had missed the clarity, the connection, the truth that you carried. If they could speak, this is what they might say. I was scared. I hesitated. I regret not stepping into what I truly felt. But it was never about you being less than. It was about me not being ready. I see now. I see your depth. I see your patience, your clarity, your strength. And I am sorry for the silence. I am sorry for the distance I created. Not because you deserved it, but because I wasn't ready to meet you fully. And this message, it arrives today for a reason. Because you've grown, because you've expanded, because you can finally recognize your own worth, even without their validation. The timing is perfect. Not for them, but for you. The universe or your own soul waited until you could receive it without needing it, until you could hear it and feel empowered, not waiting, not hoping, just seeing clearly. Here's the realization that shifts everything. It was never about winning someone back. It was never about changing what happened. It was about recognizing the alignment or misalignment of hearts. The regret, the hesitation, the silence, they reflect only the choices they made, not your value, not your completeness. And as clarity settles, you feel a new kind of freedom, one that doesn't depend on them, but depends on your own alignment, your own truth. This is your moment to let go, to reclaim your own energy, to honor your intuition, to stop waiting for what may never arrive, and to fully inhabit the life that is yours to live. You were never not enough. You were always enough. You were always whole. You just had to see it for yourself. And now, you can. Take one more deep breath. Feel it move through you. Remember this feeling, the quiet recognition that this was always your story, that you are seen, that you are understood, that you are enough. If this touched you, softly, quietly, write, I felt this. Let it be a small acknowledgement of the clarity that has arrived. And now, carry this calm with you, not as a memory, but as a quiet, unstoppable presence inside.